Keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Katre, sports teacher from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Welcome you to the online teaching for the year 2020 to 2021. Let's know about game of handball. Index. The things that we will discuss about handball are: first, how to play handball game; second, fundamental skills of handball game; third, types of passes; fourth, types of throws; and last one, fifth, important tournament. How to play handball. In handball game, the main objective is to put the ball inside goal post to score goal. The team which scores highest numbers of goals within the given time period is considered to be winning team. A handball player must be capable to make quick movement of his body to score goals successfully. It also requires high level of stamina. In handball game, each team is appointed their position at one half of the court. The players are placed according to their planning to defend, to attack and save or score goals. Formation of team may be of offensive or defensive. Fundamental skills of handball game. First, shooting. Shooting is the act of throwing the ball at the goal with the aim of scoring. Types of shot are jump shot, dive shot, fall shot, pivot shot, overhead shot. Second, passing. Passing is the act or throwing the ball from one player to the other members of the team. Types of passing: chest pass, bounce pass, overhead pass, underarm pass, across body pass, javelin pass, back pass and roll pass. Third, throwing. Throwing is the act of sending the ball from one player to the another with the one hand. Fourth, catching. Catching is the act of receiving thrown ball. In doing this, eyes should be kept on the ball and fingers spread. Fifth, dribbling. Dribbling is the act of bouncing and moving with the ball. It should be done with the one hand, and after dribbling, the ball must be passed within 3 seconds. 6. Guarding. Guarding is the act of preventing and attacking players from getting or throwing the ball. It is also the act of protecting the ball in the air and ground from reaching the one's goal. 7. Faking or feinting. Faking or feinting is the act of making undeceiving movements enable one to move away with the ball. 8. Goalkeeping. Goalkeeping is the act of preventing the ball from going into the goal. This is done by the goalkeeper. Types of passes. First, chest, bounce and overhead passes. Two-hand passes used in basketball and handball. Second, one-handed shoulder pass, similar to a baseball throw. Third, shovel pass, an underhand pass used to deliver the ball quickly. Fourth, roll pass, a pass that is rolled along the floors to avoid the defense. Fifth, jump pass, a pass complete while jumping around or above the defending players. Sixth, hand-off pass, a pass that is like a hand-off in football. Types of throw. There are several types of throw in team handball. First, throw off, start the game. Second, throw in, thrown in from where ball went out of bounds. One foot remains on the line. Third, penalty throw, awarded to the team after opposing team's penalty. Fourth, goal throw, made by goalie from outside the goal area. Fifth, throw out, made by the goalie from within the goal area. The game begins with the center throw by one team determined by rock, paper and scissors. The throw-up pass its teammates within 3 seconds after the official start of the game. Both teams begins on their own side and no defenders can be within 10 feet of the offensive when the throw-up goes. Important handball tournament. Handball tournaments are held every year in different countries. Handball tournaments are being organized at various places of the world, controlled by International Handball Federation. International Handball Tournament. First, World Championship. Second, Olympic Games. Third, Summer Olympic. Fourth, Asian Olympic. Fifth, Commonwealth Games and major competition. These are tournaments organized by International Sports Organization. This is part 6 video of handball theory. In the next video, we will discuss about some important points. Thank you so much dear students. Take care, stay home and stay safe.